my God. Gel bottom. Hey superstars, it's your girl Malika, aka Ms. Magic, back with another video. So today I will be reviewing the WHOLE H20 Mane Choice H20 Hydration Therapy line. We're gonna do the shampoo, we're gonna do the skin tone, scalp toner, we're gonna do the leave-in conditioner, oil, and we are going to do the what else? Oh, the mineral rich hydration spray. But first, if you are new here, welcome to my channel. Thank you for coming. Go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me. If you like this video, give me a big thumbs up, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. All right, so we're going to get started on washing this hair, and I will get back to you on my final thoughts. All right, first we're gonna get started with the Mane Choice Deep Cleansing Therapy Shampoo. Don't you hate when you drop a bottle you just bought and you break it? Well, that's what I did. I broke the top off of it. We're gonna make it work though. I tried to pump it out a little bit, but it wasn't acting right, so I had to wind up just taking the whole top off. So we were shampooing. It lathes up pretty well. It's very thick, so it doesn't like transfer like to the back of the head and everything. I had to put more in for the back. But overall, it's an okay shampoo. It lathered up very good. Y'all literally here, I'm just wondering how the hell I washed my whole head and there was a rubber band stuck in my hair. I do not know. I swore I took that rubber band out, but clearly I did not. Next, I will be using the Scalp Toning Micellar water. It says it's sea soothing complex with amino acid, red and brown seaweed, and kelp extract. So by reading this, you would think that your scalp would be soothing and you'd feel it and it'd be doing something. I didn't really feel anything. And then after that, it started lathering up like a shampoo. So I don't know. I don't know if there's any benefits from that. Sounds good though, but not sure. Next, we're going in with the Hydration Therapy Deep Conditioning Mask. This product smells very good. I put it on, and that was the first thing I noticed was the smell. It doesn't have great slip, but we're going to work with it because I have used masks that didn't have great slip, but then when I went back in after I kept the conditioner in for a long time, my hair was supple and it did have slip. So we're going to go ahead and I'm going to leave this on for about 15 minutes. I'm going to put a cap on and I'll make my determination from that. It was able to comb through fairly easily, but I've had better slip conditioners than this. Oh, and I was patting myself on the back because after 2 weeks, I didn't really have any hair loss. I'm looking in the shower to see if it's down there, but I was doing pretty well. All right, so let's put this cap on and let this deep conditioner sit in our hair. All right, guys, so I am back. I have rinsed the deep conditioner out my hair, and this is what my hair is looking like. My hair smells amazing. I can tell you that right now. I wish you all could smell it. It definitely has like a spa, refreshing, cool, fragrance to it. So, but could my hair be a little bit softer after the deep conditioner? Sure, but I'm not gonna complain because it feels good. But we're not done. So next in the Mane Choice, what I'm going to do next is I'm going to go ahead and use the leave-in. And what I'm gonna do with the leave-in, I'm gonna put a little bit in. Wait a minute. Not a little bit, I'm gonna put a lot in and leave that on for about 10 minutes with a cap on. And then I'm gonna come back and then we're gonna go on with the next step. Put a whole bunch in there. I want to see what the slip was like. So the slip is pretty good. It's combing through. Here in my mouth. little bit on this side. Let's comb that through. Okay, and then let's do the back. And this smells more of the same, nice and refreshing. Okay, we're gonna go ahead and I'm gonna let that soak in for about 10 minutes before I try the other two products, which is the oil and the hydration therapy hydration spray, which is like maybe like a refreshing spray, but we're gonna try it out today. So I'm gonna go ahead and put a cap back on my hair and let this sit for about 10 minutes. All right, so the leave-in has been in my hair for about 10 minutes with a cap on. It feels good. We're gonna go right into the hydration therapy oil, soothing oil. Now I'm going to assume that this has like a soothing process. I was disappointed when I used the micellar water, because for some reason I thought that was going to have like a soothing feeling after the shampoo, because it says that it cleanses your hair even more after you shampoo it, but I could take or leave this. But let's try this oil. I'm just gonna go ahead and put some in. Did I make sure it's coming out? No. Of course it's got a thing in there. Why wouldn't it? Why wouldn't it? All right, so I'm gonna go ahead and apply this to my scalp. And I really want this to be soothing because my scalp has been super itchy lately from not washing it once a week. I've been going like 2 weeks without washing it, and that's not a good thing. Okay, so I'm massaging the oil in my scalp. Still has that same spa type smell. Let me see. Guess you gotta wait 2 seconds to see if it's soothing. Yeah. It's just oil. It's just oil to me. It's nothing too soothing that I'm feeling. But like I said, the whole line smells great. So I'm not gonna complain, but I'm not gonna run out and spend my money on it again as well. It came in a subscription box, so of course I'm going to use all of my stuff. So let's go back over it, shall we? Okay, so first we started off with the Hydration H20h Hydration Therapy Deep Cleansing Shampoo. Did I feel like it was a deep cleansing shampoo? No, not really. It's just a shampoo. I'm not super impressed by it. Next, we're gonna go into the, what did I use next? I used the Hydration Therapy Scalp Toning Micellar Water. And this is supposed to go, you're supposed to go behind it with the shampoo, and this acts as another cleansing to make sure you get all the buildup and product out your hair. Did I feel like it was doing that? Yeah, it seemed like it was. This is almost like a shampoo because you put it in, and the more I manipulated my scalp, it started to actually lather like a shampoo. But my whole thing is just mix them both together. You got it all. Okay, so then thirdly, we went in with the Hydration Therapy Intense Nourishing Leave-In Conditioner. It's a leave-in, I mean. I guess. Then next, we went in with the Hydration Therapy Soothing Scalp Oil. Is my hair, is it starting to soothe? Is it starting to soothe my scalp a little bit? I feel something. Why does my hair look extremely thicker? I promise you my hair is the same length all the way around. Why does my hair do that? It just shrinks up more over here, but whatever. The oil, yeah, I think it's too oily, to be honest with you. but we gonna learn once we do our wash and go with the gel. This did not come with a gel, so this is strictly just a wash and condition. And I did tell you guys I was going to use the mineral rich hydration spray on my hair, so let's see what that's about. And basically, I already know this is like something to revitalize your curls in the morning when you do a wash and go and it done got dry. But it's light, not too greasy. So, but what is greasy is this oil. So if you like oil, if you like greasy oil, this oil is greasy. So basically, that's pretty much it. I guess. Alright guys, so that is the end of this video. If you like it, go ahead, hit that subscribe button for me, give me a big thumbs up, and go ahead and hit the notification bell so you can be alerted when I do post another video. Thank you for watching. Love you guys. I hope to see you guys in present, future, and past videos. I got a big old sneeze coming. Alright, love you guys. Bye.